Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming back. Y'all be sure to hit that red subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps my channel, and also leave any comments down below. So the Ikea closet finally came in, so let me send you a before, show y'all the before of what the closet looks like, and then of all the boxes that I have, so I'll turn y'all around. Okay, so this is what we're looking at, which I showed y'all in a previous video. These are all the clothes, shoe boxes, and then we ran out of hangers, so we literally just started piling stuff everywhere. Suitcases, it looks terrible. And then let me show y'all all the Ikea boxes. Well, these are a few of them. More of them are downstairs in the garage. My husband separated them out. All the boxes, I think it was 41 boxes total. Our Ikea closet, we built it custom on the PAX planner, like the website on Ikea. The total came out to $15.86, and then we had to pay $100 for delivery because my car wasn't big enough to fit all the boxes. So I will bring y'all along. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye. Y'all, so this is just where we're cleaning everything completely out of the closet. I broke this video up into the parts. I had a previous video where I cleaned most of the clothes off the floor and organized those. Now we're cleaning out the actual closet, organizing this, and then in this video I'll also show you us actually putting the closet together with the help of my husband, my sister-in-law, and my father-in-law, and then the next video will be the big reveal. Hope you enjoy. Your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. It's right there. Don't listen to. So here are all the clothes that came out of the closet. What I was trying to do is have a bag for the old hangers because I bought some new velvet nicer hangers, a bag of trash throwaway, a bag of Goodwill donate, and then what we were going to keep. So I was trying to organize it that way. It kind of got lost in the translation of it all, but that was the system we were trying to go for when doing this. That you're doing well, Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Okay, y'all, so we've cleared out most of the floor, and this is what we mainly have left. The shoes are just over here in a bin because we're getting shoe cases. Just like a little random few things that I need to pick up. And then the suitcases, my husband's shoe boxes, handbags, just like little things I need to pick up. So I'm gonna do that now. Take a deep breath and realize will say when building this, you either need to decide if you want to start from the top down or the bottom up. For spacing purposes, we decided to put the shelves at the top and then build from the bottom upward, because the middle of our PAX was more just shelving that we could easily adjust if needed, but the drawers were going to be there. So that is one tip. Figure out your spacing and which way you want to build beforehand. Well, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. So this is the end of the video. Y'all be sure to stay tuned for the next video where I actually show the closet reveal and everything in the closet. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. Have a great day.